$500 turned to over $1,500. So what if I told you that a $500 account has been flipped to over $1,500 and the person didn't lift a single finger, guys? So this was made possible by the Trend Effect AI robot, and one of our users connected to the account to the Trend Effect AI robot, starting with just a $500 deposit. No trading experience, no manual trading effort, guys. And in few weeks, the robot executed trades around the clock, spotting profitable opportunities. And boom, guys, the $500 account grew to over 1,500, guys. And now we have a limited time offer where we will be giving people free access to our account management with the Trend Effect AI robot. We are personally linking your account to the Trend Effect AI robot for you to be able to achieve such result, guys. To get access to this, you just have to join the Telegram group, which the link is on the comment section and the description section, guys. There's a link there. You can reach out there. Once you join it, you also see other people's account performance being dropped every single day. We drop account performance for you to track it and see for yourself how the Trend of AI robot is trading, guys. So, guys, have you seen a robot that can do this from just a $500 to $1,500? No stress, no manual trading, just smart trading automation working for you guys. Now, the Trend of AI robot was able to execute every single day 247, and it entered different position and exited with trade positions, guys. And this account has grown to over 200%, guys. This is the beauty of trading with automation, hitting over 200% return without any stress or watching the chart or managing any trade manually. The Trend Effect AI robot is advanced enough to take care of every trade management. You don't need to be a pro trader anymore to become profitable in the market. All you need is a right tool. As long as you have the right tool, you'll be able to diversify and be able to make consistent profit from the financial market, guys. So, guys, you can see here, this is the proof that automation is actually the theme of the day and is not just the future, is the present, guys. So, guys, we can see here this Trend Effect AI robot user was able to achieve such result without any stress, without any sleepless nights, no guesswork, just smart trading with our AI powered system. And currently, you can be able to get this same result for actually free with our account management. If you want to get access to the Trend Effect AI robot for free, you can reach out through the contact details on the comment section and also on the description section. With that, you will get more information about the criteria needed for you to access the Trend Effect AI robot for free. If you want to have a full license of the Trend Effect AI robot for you to trade on multiple accounts, you can also reach out, guys, for you to get access to it, guys. So if you have any question at all concerning the Trend Effect AI robot and how you want to advance your trading to more profitable approaches, you can reach out, guys. And also, guys, there's a link on the comment section that will take you directly to our Telegram group where we drop trade performance on each account trading with the Trend Effect AI robot. Every single day we drop a trade performance showing the historical record and the data being traded every single day with the Trend Effect AI robot. Now, with automation, you can achieve over 200%, 100%, and more using the Trend Effect AI robot, guys. So you don't actually need to stress yourself much nowadays. Just plug it and let the automation do the work. All you have to do is to monitor it to check out if the profit is okay for you to withdraw. So, guys, if you have any question, drop it on the comment section. Don't forget to join the Telegram community. You see different accounts performance. You can be tracking the performance of those accounts. And also, if you also want to get access to the Trend Effect AI robot, you reach out and your account will be added to the Trend Effect AI robot server. So, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys, and also don't forget to like the video. Thank you, guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out, guys.